Hi, this side Saurabh, and today we will discuss about the extrude command in Annex software. First, we need to understand what is extrude command. When we want to convert a 2D sketch or a closed area into a volume, that time we can use the extrude command. And at the same time, we can use this command for removing a material from the body. So extrude command is something that will add a material, or at the same time we can use this command for removing a material from your solid body. For using this extrude command, first go to the new, then select the model option, then click on OK. Now inside the home tab we have the feature panel, and inside this feature panel we have the command called extrude command. So when you select this command, we have this option called extrude, and this extrude command is divided into four different sections. First one is section, second is direction, third one is limits, and fourth is boolean. So in this tutorial we will discuss all these options one by one. So first we will discuss about section. For creating a solid body we need a extrude command, and for using a extrude command we need a curve. So for creating this curve, we have two options. We already create a curve with the option called sketch, or we can create a sketch with this option called sketch section. So just click on this sketch section. Now we need to select a plane for creating our sketch. So just select a plane, click on OK. Now we need to create a sketch. For creating a sketch, I'm using this option called rectangle. Select the rectangle command. Select the option called 2-point rectangle. Select a first point. Drag your cursor. Click on the screen. Now cancel the command with escape button. Now just double click on this dimension and you can change this dimension as per your requirement. So now I'm creating a rectangle of 100 by 80. After providing the dimension, just go to this option called finish section. Click on it. Now when you click on it, it is asking about a section which we already created. Now the second option is direction. If you create a sketch, it will take automatically a parallel direction by which we want to create a extrude. But if you want to change the direction, you can select a direction as per your requirement. But right now we are extruding it in the same direction, so that's why we are not changing any direction. Now the third option is called a limit section. This limit section is used to provide the start condition as well as the end condition for the extrude. So as a current value, start condition is started from the 10th distance, and condition having a value of 75 distance. So we created a sketch, and that sketch is extruded after a distance of 10. So if I convert this value to 0, you can see my sketch is extruded from the base where we created a sketch, and the end condition limit is 75. So the thickness of this body is 75. If you want to see the preview, just click on this show result, then click on OK. By this, you can create a sketch in Annex, and at the same time, you can extrude that sketch or provide the volume to that area using the extrude command. Now the last section in the extrude is Boolean operation. This Boolean operation is used when you want to add a material And at the same time, if you want to remove a material from the body, you can use this option called Boolean operation. Now I just want to create a hole from this body or from this face. So just click on this sketch section. Now select the face, click on OK, go to the circle command and create a circle. Now you can see for this circle we have three dimensions. First one is vertical dimension, second one is a horizontal dimension, and third one is the size of the circle. So first we need to locate a circle, then we have to provide a size of this circle. So just double click on this dimension and change this value to 50. Double click on this dimension and change the size of 40. Double click on this circle diameter and change it to 40. Now click on close, go to this finish section, click on it. Now you can see this sketch or this circle is extruded in the upper direction. So what you need to do, you just want to change the direction of this extrude. So inside this direction section, we have this option called reverse direction. Just click on it. Now, when you click on this reverse direction, you can see the Boolean operation is converted from the invert section to the subtract section. It means when I click on OK button, this extrude is removing a material up to a 75 distance. So I just want to change it to 50. It means from this face up to the 50 distance, it will remove a material and create a hole. If you want to see the preview, just click on show preview and rotate this body from the middle mouse button. You can see we remove a material from the solid body and it created a hole using the same extrude command with the option called Boolean operations. So just click on OK. Now I just want to do a modification in this whole section and convert this hole into a solid body. For that, just go to the extrude section, right click on it. When you right click, we have this option called edit parameters. Click on it. Now you can see my Boolean operation is subtracted. So first thing, I just want to change the direction and change this subtracting Boolean operation to unite. Now body is already selected. Just click on OK. Now you can see this with the same operation we can add a material. At the same time we can also remove the material with the help of Boolean operations. Now I want a hole from the top of this face to the bottom of this face. For that I'm going to this extrude command again. Inside this sketch section, click on it. Now I want a sketch on this face, so select it, click on OK, go to the circle command, create a circle of 20 dia, click on finish. Now I want a hole from the top to the bottom. So first change the direction and inside this limit section I want a extrude from this face, top face of this body, but the end condition is up to the bottom of this body. So just click on this value section and select this option called through all. When you select this option through all, we don't need to provide the AND condition for this extrude. So select this Boolean operation as a subtracted, then click on OK. With this method, we can create a hole easily with the help of extrude command. I hope you understand the basic concept of the extrude command, and we have some other options also in extrude that we will discuss in the next section.